Mural infective endocarditis. What is it? It may be a clinically defined as an infective endocarditis with visible vegetations on the endocardial surfaces of the cardiac chambers with or without vegetations elsewhere in the body. Now, compared to the valvular endocarditis, this is an extremely uncommon and easily overlooked entity. Let's look at it in detail. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues Journal Club, your daily dose of health and medical news. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan, and today I am going to talk about the comparison in the clinical profile of patients with mural infective endocarditis versus valvular endocarditis. Infective endocarditis patients usually present very rarely with vegetations on the mural endocardium. Now, there are very few studies that are available comparing the mural infective endocarditis with a commoner valvular or a device-related infective endocarditis. So, to analyze the clinical features, the microbiological profile, as well as the clinical course of mural endocarditis in comparison to the ideally valvular endocarditis, the present study that I'm talking about was published in the Indian Heart Journal, and the study revealed that mural endocarditis is equally riskier and fatal as that the valvular endocarditis. So, a retrospective analysis of data included patients who were reported to have vegetations on the mural endocardial surface. These patients were taken as a group and compared with the remainder of the patients. Now, clinical profile, the laboratory parameters, including culture and outcomes, were compared between the two groups. So, of the 278 patients who were included in the study, 5.38% had vegetations on the mural endocardium. Of them, only 4 had structural heart diseases. Many aspects were compared between the two groups, and it was found that ventricles were the commonest sites of vegetations. The inflammatory markers like the ESR and CRP were low in mural endocarditis compared to the rest. The culture positivity was high in mural endocarditis patients, as well as the Staphylococcus aureus was the commonest organism. Mural endocarditis patients had similar in-hospital mortality to rest of the patients. Cardiac complications were not reported in mural endocarditis, but they had similar incidence of embolic complications, including neurological events as well. So the researchers concluded that mural endocarditis is a rare clinical entity with similar morbidity and mortality to that of endocarditis with valvular vegetation. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.